Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made this elegant blue chiffon dress with beautiful flanelle sleeves. This dress is soft, feminine and perfect for special occasions. The flowing chiffon and delicate sleeves give it a very graceful look. Let's get started. For this project, I prepared a pair of sleeves, front bodice piece and lining, back bodice pieces and the linings, and then a waistband lining. One front skirt panel and lining, two back skirt panels and the linings, a zipper and hook-and-eyes closures. Now let's start sewing. First, sew the darts on the front bodice. After sewing, press the dart downward to keep everything smooth and neat. Repeat the same process for the lining pieces. For the outer chiffon fabric, I'm using French seams because they give a clean finish and work beautifully with sheer fabric. Place the shoulder pieces wrong sides together and sew along the shoulder line. Trim the seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch. Then turn the pieces, sew the right sides together, enclosing the raw edges inside. Sew again to complete the French seam. Repeat on the other shoulder. For the lining, simply sew the shoulder seams with the right sides together and finish the edges with sergers. Place the outer bodice and lining right sides together and sew around the neckline. After sewing, press the seam allowance toward the lining. Then sew the understitch along the lining side. This helps keep the lining from rolling outward and gives the neckline a professional finish. Next, match the notches at the front and secure them in place. To create a soft shape at the sleeve cap, sew a loosened stitch around the top edge first. Before attaching the sleeves, sew the underarm seam using a French seam. Once that's done, match the sleeves to the armhole and pin it carefully. Sew the sleeve into the armhole. After attaching both sleeves, fold the sleeve stem twice and stitch close to the edge. Now it's time to join the bodice and waistband. Match all seams and notches carefully. Sew the waistband to the bodice. And finish the seam with sergers. Next, sew the side seams of the skirt panels. For chiffon, you can use either French seams or a regular seam finished with sergers. I tried both methods on this project. French seams create a very clean finish, but using serger can also work well and save time. If you choose a thread color that blends with the fabric, the serged edges are not very noticeable. For the skirt lining, sew the side seams and finish them with sergers. Attach the zipper to the center back opening. And add the hook and eye closer at the top. Do hemming both the outer skirt and the lining. I hope you enjoyed sewing this dress with me and my little sewing buddy Flynn. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.